Okay, today we're going to show you how to get the servo controlled by Bottango. So I have a basic servo, it's tied to this Arduino Uno. For the connections, there's 3 wires coming out of the servo. So this top one, the yellow one, I'm putting it to pin 9. So I'm using like this double-ended connector. The middle one is going to go to this voltage, 3.3 volts. You can do either 3.3 or 5. And then the top one is going to go to ground. So pin number 9, you can choose whatever pin you want actually. Then 5 volts is what I chose, and then ground. You can actually see it on the side right there. So I'm connecting this to the computer. Bottango is going to detect all of this, but you have to upload the drivers and stuff to this Arduino. So when you open Bottango, you can click on New Studio Project, and then with your mouse, you can rotate with the right click. You're going to click on Create Part, and then choose Servo. So you can see like a servo on the screen that we're going to control. You can zoom in by a scroll wheel. There's tools here to kind of bring it up higher. So I'm dragging this arrow to drag it higher. There's a rotate tool, so I can rotate it to its side so you can see the rotation better. And we go to hardware, in the top right. Right now, this live master thing is on, but we don't have anything connected. So go to drivers, and once you connect the Arduino to the computer, it shows up on the side as a port. So right now it says COM6, COM7. The port is like where the Arduino is connected to. So when I plug it in, COM10 shows up. So the first step is to say default driver. I didn't change anything here. The second step is port, so click on select port, and then I know that this is COM10 because it popped up, so I click COM10. Down here it says, it might say that it doesn't show up as a like Bottango device. I already did it, so that's why it says success, but you click on this button, upload Bottango driver, and then press OK. And then choose the type of microcontroller. This is an Arduino Uno, sorry. Once that uploads, then you can start controlling the servo. So it says success. I can go back to status over here and make sure that this is turned on for the servo. It says pin 0, which is the wrong pin. So I'll turn it on and see. I have to go back to the build tab right here. So build is where you set things up with the servo. Click on the servo. On the right side, scroll down and choose connection as pin. So it's already selected as pin. And then type in number 9 for pin 9. Press enter. And then it says that the servo is not live. Click on live to make sure it's on. And then I double check everything on hardware. So click hardware, make sure the servo is on. It says pin 9 now. Then click on animate. And then in animate, you should be able to control it with a controller, like pressing a key, or using a physical controller, like an Xbox controller. Go to live input control scheme. Click on new. And then it says this control scheme has no controls yet. Click add control. And it says select a part to add a control input. Choose the servo. This is where you can program what key you want. Auto detect on any connected device. So click on that. And then I'll press enter as like the button to control it. And that moved a bit. And you can also see it, like coincidentally it's in the same orientation, but if I press enter, it should be like practicing this thing. So now it's controlling it. the how far it goes can be changed with some settings. This thing too, you can kind of just pull it off and reorient it if you don't like it that way. There's other types of controls here. This is a 1-button control. There's like 2 buttons, so you can choose like a second button to make it go back and forth. I think the process is the same. Like maybe this button. I used like this apostrophe. So there you go. So I have like 1 button to turn right, 1 button to turn left. Then press done and close. So it's like set up. The servo also has like these settings you can do if you want to fine tune it. You can animate down here, but we don't have to do that. Click on, whenever you want to use the controller for practice, for a demo, click on the settings again, and then choose practice. And then that's how you can show it live for a demo. And that's the basic setup for a servo with Bottango.